Welcome back to Dad Deals. If you shopped around at your local Lowe's recently, you might have noticed these brand new Craftsman rolling toolboxes showing up. These definitely caught my eye, and Lowe's was gracious enough to send me one of these units to get a hands-on look and share with you guys my opinions on them. So let's do a deep dive, look at what this cart has to offer, and I'll let you know if I think it's worth it or not. Now, as usual, I will have links in the description below and in the YouTube shopping feature. I do earn a small commission if you decide to use those links. Just help support my channel at no extra cost to you, so thank you so much for using those links. And now let's check out the cabinet. So first off, let's talk about price. This is priced at $250. That's going to be your sale price through February 4th. Now, the retail price on this is $400, which I think is pretty high for a cabinet like this, but $250, that's a very attractive price. This comes in 5 colors. I have the white one, but you can also get it in gray, black, purple, or red, the classic Craftsman red. But here it is. This is a 4-drawer rolling tool cabinet. Now, those drawers are the full length 22-inch extension on those with the soft close feature as well. You're going to get pre-cut drawer liners that fit perfectly. Up top, you have the 2 gas struts with the closing lid. Everything is lockable with just one key turn. So if you close the lid, turn the key, all your drawers are going to lock. And then to unlock, it's just that one key again. Over on the right side, you have a nice storage area. You can put cans of stuff, like maybe some WD-40, things like that. There's also a grab bar on the right side. Up top, you have some nice slots on the side to hold some screwdrivers, scissors, things like that. It's also a very nice deep space up here. You're looking at about 6 inches deep of storage space. You can see I have some sockets laid out here just so you can get an idea of how much stuff this can hold. And then here on the left side of the cabinet is where things get very interesting and really what sets this apart from almost any of the other rolling toolboxes out there. You'll notice right away you have a pegboard built into this. This opens up a ton of possibilities. Your standard pegboard hooks will work well on it. You can also 3D print cool stuff, which really opens up endless possibilities. You can see here, I sort of 3D printed this milk carton, which I think looks pretty cool. And check out this, I even 3D printed a holder for my Cobalt 24-volt charger. But the possibilities are endless with this pegboard. I love that design. I wish every single one of my cabinets had this. And I really think this is probably the best selling point for this rolling tool cart. Of course, you'll also see a very nice power strip on the side as well, built right into it. And it's 2026 and you have a USB-A port. And yup, you see it here, a USB-C port, which is great to see. So you have both options right there. And you even have a cord wrap over on the side as well. Also doing a bit of a stability test. I loaded these drawers up with a couple tools, some sockets, wrenches, screwdrivers. Extended all the drawers out and tried to push down on it just to see how wobbly it would be, and this thing barely budged. This is a very well-made cabinet, and it really didn't feel tippy at all. Now, obviously, I didn't have the heaviest of tools and stuff in these drawers, but you can tell the quality, and it definitely feels very sturdy. You're also going to get a nice open area at the bottom like most of these rolling tool carts have, and you're going to get nice 5-inch casters, so you can roll this thing around wherever you need it to go. But I really think this is a solid cart from Craftsman. Love to see them come out with one of these. $250 is a great price for it. One bit of advice is that it does have some 1-star ratings, but most of those ratings are due to shipping damage. So I would opt to order this for store pickup at your local store. Have Lowe's assemble it for you for free. That's what I did. And you should avoid any of those damages during shipping. But this is a very nice tool cart. Love the pegboard on the side. That's a game changer for me. But let me know what your thoughts are on this cart. And again, thanks to Lowe's for sending this out to me to check out. As always, please like the video if you find it helpful, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.